Alright, you guys, here we go, back with another haircut tutorial. Here goes a comb over for you guys. I told you I'm gonna be posting more consistently now. It took me a while to post this video. I should have been posting this video. Nevertheless, here we are. But so you see, we're just balding them out real quick. I like to start from the back. And by the way, in the next couple of videos, maybe like 2 more haircut tutorial videos after this one, you'll see the shop will look a little different. That pool table is now on the other side of the shop, and I think the shop looks a lot better now. We'll be getting a new station, so I'm pretty excited about that. Once everything comes together, I'll be doing a video to let y'all see how my station is looking and how the rest of the shop looks now. Now we're taking my zero gap T outliners, just knocking down some more of the hair before we use the shaver, because I have the wall shaver, and to me, like, if I don't use this, my zero gap T outliners, the shaver will not eat the hair up as easily. But I have tried out the Barber shavers. In my opinion, those hoes go hard. They go hard. So I'm definitely gonna invest in some of those, because those are way stronger and they can get the hair at a longer length. And I just feel like it comes out a lot more bald, or a lot more, tight to the skin, So anyways, here we go with the lever open on my silver Babyliss FX with the magic clip blade on there, the magic clip fade blade on there. I don't like taper blades, man. That's just me though. So here you can see I slowed it down right here, so you can see, hey, I closed the lever just a little bit. Probably took it about halfway. And right now I'm just trying to get that first line out. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I struggle getting the line out with him. Some clients it's not so easy to fade. Some clients you can fade real easy. The line comes out like butter. Other clients you gotta, work a little harder for, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not going to be able to get the line out, even though these are like pretty close to being zero gap. The line doesn't come out. It's still pretty heavy in there, so I have to get my my liners and take the line out like that. And we're just going to do that, go around the whole head doing the same thing. Alright, so now we have the half guard, or if you want to call it the zero guard. That's the guard we have on right now. We have it open, and then we'll close it to get the line out. There goes the close. And then we're going to try to work that line out. Now some clients, this line will come out like butter. With him, I'm going to have to take the guard off. I'm pretty sure I did have to take the guard off and then go back to putting the lever just open. Yeah, here we go. Putting it back open and really touching it up. And then we're going to go around the head and do it all the same, like we did. Guys, I'm really happy about the way the renovations to the shop came out. But it looks really good. I was just thinking about it just now. By the way the shop looks right now in this video is not how it looks now. Okay, so now we're gonna work our way down. I'm starting with the 3 guard, and then I'm gonna have it open, and I'm gonna hit it closed. Then I'm gonna put the 2 on there. Then I'll put the 1.5, and then I'll put the 1. The 1 should bring the whole blend together. So right here is a 2 guard open, and now we're just basically just blending it down. And here's the 1.5 guard. And there's the 1 guard. And then after that, I put the 0 guard back on there to touch it up. Make sure you guys look into the mirror, and the mirror will tell you where the blend is not even. So, you have to do what you got to do to get the blend to, look right after that. So now we're just going to the same, now we're going to the other side and doing the same thing. And I'm taking that 3 guard right up to the part to where his hair disconnects. Sometimes clients want a little bulk left right there in that little corner area by the part. With him, we just take that 3 guard and we just run it up to the part. And then we'll do this side, and then we connect the back the same way. Alright, so now we're gonna trim a little bit off the top, and you see I'm getting the hair wet and combing it to the side. So now what I'm doing here is basically I'm giving him like 3 fingers length of hair. So I'll put my 3 fingers down, and whatever is on top of those 3 fingers is what I'm cutting off. That's just how I measure it. Sometimes, you know, it's real simple, real fast to do. You know, sometimes like other clients, maybe I'll use 2 fingers, maybe 1 finger, you know what I mean, depending on how much they want off. This is just one technique that I use. And then here on the side, you see we're comb the hair over, and whatever is like hanging over is what we're cutting off. But yeah, this is just one technique for cutting the top that I use, you know, for measuring with my fingers. Because his hair is not that long, I can do that with him. So now we're just blow drying it. Now we're prepping the hairline. I'm just gonna hit it with a 1 guard. Guys, believe it or not, I used to not blow dry people's hair after cutting it with scissors. I used to leave it wet. But now I like blowing drying it because you can see like the finished product. You can see like how is it gonna turn out, like for real, when they go home and their hair dries up, you know what I'm saying? And I think your clients appreciate it if you blow dry, because I know some of my clients, they don't like to leave the shop with their hair still wet, you know what I mean? Especially if it's cold outside, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's good to blow dry. Now I'm lining him up. On this side, I did have to take it a little higher because his hairline is naturally slanted, you know what I mean? So I do gotta take this side up a bit. You'll see like right there, I'm looking in the mirror. Now I gotta take it up a little bit more. And you'll see like it still is gonna be just a little bit slanted, but I don't like to take it too far up, you know what I'm saying? Like, just enough. Now I'm adding the enhancements with the Tune 45 compressor. Now we're razoring them up. Then after that, man, cut is complete. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, JayJay the 96. Here goes the complete haircut. I'm just cleaning him up a little bit. That comb over fade. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, baby, and I'll see y'all guys in the next one.